Hello, beautiful moms. Hope you're all fine and your babies are also doing well. So, once the baby is born, there are so many responsibilities that come along with the baby. One of which is nursing your baby. Believe me, it is not an easy job. There are so many questions related to breastfeeding your baby. I'm going to try and answer all those questions today in this video. Also, there is a technique how you should breastfeed your baby. I know it may sound odd, but actually, if you want to feed your baby properly and if you want to avoid the pain that you might be experiencing while breastfeeding your baby, then you need to know the techniques. There are also so many other issues related to breastfeeding, but I will cover all those issues in my upcoming videos. Today, I am going to talk about basics of breastfeeding. So if you want to know more about mother care or child care related topics, please subscribe my channel and welcome to my channel, A Journey Through Motherhood. It is suggested that for 6 months, babies should be exclusively breastfeeding. Mother's milk is very important for overall growth of the baby and also to develop immune system in babies. But sometimes what happens that babies may not latch properly and so enough milk may not be provided. Also, breastfeeding is related to back pain, shoulder pain, or neck pain in mothers. So let's see what we can do to avoid such things. So let's start with how you can make your baby latch properly. When babies are born, they are actually born with a natural instinct that helps them to find their mother's breast and latch on. You will have to help a bit initially, but once the baby gets used to breastfeeding, you may not have to do much later. So let's see how you can help your baby to latch on properly. First thing, hold your baby nipple to nose and belly to belly. Make sure that your baby's belly is touching your belly and your baby's nose is touching your nipple. In this position, your baby will not have to turn around her on his neck to find the nipple. Second thing, express some breast milk to interest your baby. Once some amount of breast milk goes into mouth of your baby will open her mouth wide to latch on. Support your breast and put it in your baby's mouth so that your baby can latch. Third thing, help your baby to stimulate the mammary glands. So, first of all, let's learn how actually the breast milk is produced. So, this part of breast is called areola, and mammary glands are placed behind it. To stimulate the mammary glands, your baby needs to open her mouth wide open and latch deeply to stimulate the production of breast milk. For that, you can rub your nipple on your baby's nose rather than placing your breast directly in her mouth, so that she will open her mouth wide and try to find your nipple. Once your baby latches properly, wait for some time and check, observe if you're feeling some pain. If you're still feeling some pain, that means baby did not latch properly. So in that case, you will have to delatch your baby and then try again. So that was about how to make your baby latch properly. There are other things that you need to know about breastfeeding. So let's see what are those things. Doctors suggest to breastfeed your baby from both the sides. Ideally, you should breastfeed your baby from both the sides, and overall 15 to 20 minutes of breastfeeding should be enough. But sometimes what happens, babies are not in a mood to breastfeed from both the sides. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. In my case, Amanthi didn't used to like to breastfeed from both the sides. If I used to delatch her from one side and to try to latch her on other side, she used to refuse to breastfeed again. So I tried for some time and then I stopped doing that. If you're also facing similar issue, then what you can do is rather than breastfeeding from both the sides, you can breastfeed from alternate side at a time so that both the breasts are emptied properly. Third thing that you should be aware of the right position to breastfeed your baby. Well, there are multiple positions in which you can breastfeed your baby, but initially, when the baby is newborn, doctors suggest to breastfeed your baby while you are sitting upright. So here are some of the things that you may need to breastfeed your baby initially. So very first thing, arrange a chair with back support and hand support. Many mothers try to breastfeed their babies when they are lying on the bed or sitting on the bed. So lying on the bed while breastfeeding is not suggested even by doctors because it may choke your newborn baby. If you're sitting on the bed and trying to feed your baby, breastfeed your baby, you may have to lean down to reach your baby, and in turn that may cause a bad posture, and again because of which you may have to face the back pain issue or neck pain or shoulder pain. So if you have a chair with a back support and hand support, it will keep your posture upright and will help you to hold your baby properly while breastfeeding. Second thing, arrange a leg support. So when you're sitting on a chair with back support and hand support, it is also a great idea to have a leg support as well. Leg support of 1 or 1.5 feet is ideal. But if you don't really have something like that, you can also position your chair in front of a bed or something else that has relatively lesser height than the chair that you are using while feeding your baby. So this will provide you extra support to hold your baby and share the stress of your baby's weight. I know newborn babies are not at all heavy, but sitting in the same position for a long time when you're feeding your baby may cause some discomfort. And sometimes babies actually do breastfeed for a very long time. So if you have back support, hand support, and leg support at the same time, it will help you a lot to reduce the discomfort while breastfeeding your baby. Another thing that you may need for breastfeeding your baby is breastfeeding pillow. Nowadays, there are so many products available in market. You can choose whatever you feel comfortable for yourself. If you have a breastfeeding pillow, it will ease all the issues related to placing your baby properly while breastfeeding. I was using this breastfeeding pillow. I found it so useful. It has multiple layers so that you can actually place your baby according to position that you are comfortable with. So it used to help me a lot to keep my baby tilted in a position. So all the milk that she used to drink can go directly to her tummy. Also, it is foldable. You can also find it very easy to carry whenever you are going or traveling anywhere. So if you're interested in buying this particular pillow, you can find the link in my description box below this video. So fourth thing that you should be aware of is always make your baby burp after breastfeeding. When you're breastfeeding your baby, you should always hold your baby in a position in a tilted way so that all the milk that your baby is sucking should go directly to your baby's tummy. In newborn babies, it is very important to hold them in a proper position so that the milk doesn't come up again. And once your baby is done with breastfeeding, always hold them right up and pat gently on their back so that if there is any kind of gas formation while breastfeeding, so gas will come up and so babies will burp. It is very important for newborn babies to make them burp after breastfeeding because newborn babies are most of the time lying down. So if the gas formed in their stomach is not coming up, it will create pain and your baby will keep crying. So that is all for today. I would like to clarify that I'm not a doctor and I'm just sharing my experiences and my learnings with you in this video. So if you like the video, please like and share the video and wait for my upcoming video. Till then, bye.